Alright, this is another Asian bear dog female. Getting used to our strong winds. And it's cold today. That's why I make sure we came out in the sun side. You're in the shade, it is a lot worse, especially with the winds. This is another Tibetan Mastiff, American Akita hybrid. This is our third litter of them. Hi, baby. I know it's scary out here with the strong winds. Giving her time to just get comfortable out here. Hey! Like, forget that. There's all kinds of weird stuff around me. That back leg shaking. She does not know what to think. It's okay. The world's not going to hurt you. I'm sure people prefer not to just get aim of your butt. Like I said, this is a girl. Oh, we're going potty. I'll get that out of view. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Feel a little bit lighter now. I don't think she explored the grass in our last video. I can't remember if this is her second or third time being outside. I think it's the second time being outside. So this is all really still very new. It's like the poor thing's trying to walk on marshmallows. Just has no idea what it's supposed to feel like. Yeah, she turns 7 weeks old tomorrow. I know the video's posted at 7 weeks, but we're gonna have storms tomorrow, so I took advantage of the weather. So everybody have a great day. I'll get the next puppy.